In this lecture, we will learn how to scale, rotate, and distort images using the free transform command. I will start by double-clicking on the background image to unlock it and convert it to a normal layer. We can't transform a background layer that is locked. And then, with the layer selected, go to the Edit menu and select the free transform command, which has a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-T. As you can see, we get a transform box and some handles appear around the image. To scale an image, click and drag any of the handles and that will resize the image proportionally depending on the version of the Photoshop that you are using. To scale non-proportionally, hold down the Shift key and then drag the handles. To transform an image from its center, press and hold the Alt key as you drag. You can also scale an image by entering the width and height values here inside the options bar. I am going to resize it down to 50%. To move an image around inside the canvas, click and drag inside the free transform box. To rotate an image, move your mouse cursor outside the free transform box. Your cursor will change into a curved, double-sided arrow. Then, click and drag to rotate the image freely. Or, hold Shift as you drag to constrain the angle of the rotation to increments of 15 degrees. We can also distort an image by pressing and holding down the Ctrl key and then dragging a handle. After we are happy with the results, we can accept the changes by clicking on the tick mark at the top. Now let's restore the image to its original form by going to the File menu and choosing the Revert command, which has a keyboard shortcut of F12. Another way to resize an image is by going to the Image menu and choosing the Image Size command, which has a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-Alt-I. As you can see, it shows the image size, the image dimensions, and so on. Then, I can resize the image by typing the desired width and height values. Also, I can change the image resolution, and then I will press OK. And we have resized our image successfully. And that was, my friends, a few ways to resize and transform images inside Photoshop.